Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build an app using Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup and start building our application. So from there, you can go to setup and after that, we can just search for home or let's simply search for our app manager or the app builder. So from here you can find the app manager and basically now you can create in your application. So I'm just going to click on a new Lightning app and from here you can start adding the app name. It can be anything. So here you can add the developer name and you can also add the image and everything concerning the page, the application. After that, we need just to go and click on next. And basically, you can try also to customize the navigation stuff like the navigation style, the setup experience, or all the personalization settings. So from here we can just click next and we will add just next again. So we want it to be a default app. And from here you can add all your item, all or all your objects. If you have some custom object that you have already created in Objects Manager, you can start manipulating here. And I'm just going to add the accounts and I'm just going to click next and here finish. After that, it should take us to the app and from here we can activate it or we can start editing the page in the app builder. So after that, you can go to the app option or you can start adding your pages. So from here, I'm just going to add a home page for my app and basically you can label it whatever you like. You click next and you can choose the layout for the page and I'm just going to click on done. From here, you can start adding all the records or all the fields in this application. And basically that's it. And thank you for watching and see you next time.